Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple, and Happy New Year. We're starting the year off with a look at what's to come. Top of mind for everyone in 2025 is how the incoming Trump administration will change the employment law landscape.
Well, I think under President Trump, we're going to see a bit of a yo-yo effect with respect to the Department of Labor. We went from Obama to Trump to Biden, back to Trump, and I think it's having a significant effect on what's happening with OT exemption status, independent contractor status, and it's really keeping everyone in a limbo as to how to best move forward with respect to their personal business environment.
It's going to be very interesting to see how President Trump treats the executive branch. As he comes back into power, we expect him to remove significant portions of the federal executive branch, and for that reason, certainly at the NLRB, there will be a big sea change, and we could end up with significant litigation around the ability of the NLRB to perform its functions, particularly if the president terminates board members in addition to the general counsel.
We're going to see a shift in the FTC's policy and position on non-compete agreements. I think we'll see a relaxation of that. We may even see potentially a withdrawal of the FTC's appeal of the district court decision that has enjoined the non-compete ban.
We expect that the Trump administration will be very similar to the prior Trump administration, which is very little government regulation in this area. And the other side of that will be increased private lawsuits.
We also asked Epstein, Becker, Green attorneys what issues they see emerging in the coming year.
The biggest issues or concerns our clients will face in 2025 is the continued impact of emerging technologies on the cybersecurity and data privacy landscape. Companies need to take steps to prepare for those threats. In particular, I see 2025 as a year where threats from deepfake in cybersecurity take precedence.
Union organizing. I think we'll see a continuation of the momentum we've seen building the past 2 years with popularity of unions, where the economic momentum is, where the strike activity has been, and that will continue, and it'll continue to be a source of great concern to employers who aren't unionized currently or who are dealing with bargaining successor contracts.
2025 will bring opportunity. We've seen a significant amount of activity within the courts and also within local legislatures. I think that activity creates opportunity to effectively partner with our clients in order to advise them on how to strategically implement their business goals while maintaining and providing an inclusive workspace for all of their employees.
Well, the word that comes to mind for me is change. We're going to have a new administration in 2025. And with that new administration, there'll be new cabinet secretaries. There'll be new initiatives at the Department of Labor. There'll be new members to the National Labor Relations Board. There'll be new commissioners on the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. We're going to have a new Congress. And so we will have new members and issues that will be percolating up again in a new Congress. So change is the defining word for 2025.
Thanks to all my colleagues for their insight. No matter what happens in labor and employment, we'll bring you the latest every Wednesday here on Employment Law This Week. Thank you all very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.